Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar and I'm bringing this wonderful course called IIM IPM and BBA entrance examination for this year's admission. Okay, जो इस साल एडमिशन होंगे, ठीक है, डेट्स जो भी आएंगे, अभी तक जो डेट्स आ चुकी है दैट इज 30th April फॉर IIM IPM, 1st May फॉर IIM IPM रोहतक and then you have 2nd May for Symbiosis and 9th and 10th of May for NPAT. Okay, now whatever are the dates, we ensure that you will be getting a complete course on this, you can say, digital platform. ये कोर्स आपको कैसे मिलेगा और इस कोर्स में क्या क्या होगा, ये आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा. आज के इस सेशन में आई एम डिस्कसिंग अबाउट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द कोर्स. ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द कोर्स इज टू एंश्योर all BBA aspirant to study at home, take the complete video course with a PDF practice material with lot of quizzes. Okay, this course is useful for IIM IPM Indore, IIM IPM Rohtak, NPAT, Symbiosis, Christ University and various other BBA entrance examination. What we are going to provide in this digital course is full syllabus for the entrance exam, whether it is maths, logical reasoning, data interpretation, verbal ability, reading comprehension, everything is covered. The objective of the course is to help you with the concepts, and wherever there is a possibility of giving you shortcuts, that is basically being provided. Okay, this digital course will make you compete with the best brains across India. The kind of questions we are going to provide, they are wonderful. Okay, you can access this, you can say this digital course at any point in time, 24/7. It is available through our website, that is called courses.protalentdigital.com. It is also available through our app. Okay, I will be putting the description of the app, the link for the app, as well as you can say website description for you. Okay, this is what this digital course is all about. What we are going to cover in this particular part, just I'll give you a rough of it. For example, let's say if I talk about math, okay, in a math part we are going to cover full theory, okay, and practice questions. The total 36 video sessions are provided and there are a lot of unique methods available with a lot of shortcuts. Okay, the method we are taking is there will be live class as well as the recorded video will be available. Live class will be available on YouTube for everyone. So what are the content to be covered in this particular module? You'll get a full math syllabus, 36 plus videos with a lot of shortcuts. There'll be 10 practice questions in every video sessions, and with that we'll be giving you 25 practice questions for homework. There will be some regular quizzes will be happening. Okay, so that is also you should be prepared. Similarly for English, we are going to cover complete vocab, complete RC, and there will be 50 practice questions for each session. This is what we are going to cover, and in addition to that we are also going to give you 3 full-length paper. If you are interested to take our test series, that's a separate part. In this crash course, this is completely video, PDF, and some quizzes are available. Full-length paper are not available. There are only 3 full-length paper are available. You can purchase ProTalent's test series in case you are interested for that. Okay, so it is really important that ProTalent's test series is wonderful test series. We have developed a very good quality questions for your practice purpose. Okay, so it is really necessary in that you appear for a lot of mock tests. Okay, because mock test will give you a complete support. Okay, in addition to that we will be giving you a very good telegram channel. ठीक है, इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में नीचे टेलीग्राम चैनल होगी. उस चैनल के माध्यम के द्वारा we will be in a position to give you lot of content. Okay, so please go through that. Okay, ये पूरा कंटेंट आपको मिलेगा protalentdigital.com से. ठीक है, वहाँ पे भी इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन अवेलेबल है. So ensure that you take the entire IIM IPM course. Okay, thank you very much and all the best.